Good morning, guys. Um, this is Manny from Kingmanno Tech. Um, are you guys having a wonderful day? How's your day going, by the way? Um, yeah. Today I'm gonna be reviewing the Amazon Fire HD10, as you can see right here. This Amazon 10-inch. This is an incredible tablet. It come It's a 1080p Full HD display with 32 gigabytes of memory, 1920 by 1200 resolution at 224 ppi. This bad boy is packed with a powerful 1.8 gigahertz quad core processor, and it comes with a micro SD slot. Okay, so this is the power button, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and then this is the volume rocker. All right, and this is the audio ports right here. Okay, this is the camera right in the middle. All right, and this is the USB charge port right here. All right, so let me just put it back. I just bought this case because it's very comfortable, and I have this kickstand right here from Amazon. This kickstand is really helpful, like if you want to watch your movies. Look, boom, right there, you're good to go. All right, so let's continue with the specs. It's got 2 million pixels, stereo speakers, Dolby Audio, and dual band 802.11 AC Wi-Fi. It's awesome for watching full HD videos, playing games, reading magazines, and streaming content seamlessly. All right, you can use Alexa hands-free to pause videos, play music, open apps, web browser, show sports scores, display weather, instantly connect to enabled Echo devices. Okay, enabled Amazon Echo devices. All right. 32. It comes with two different memory form, 32 or 64. This one is a 60. This one is a 32 gigabytes. All right. This one has 32 gigabytes internal memory, and you can expand it with up to 256 gigabytes with a micro SD card. Okay. You can watch downloaded videos anywhere with an Amazon Prime membership. All right. Netflix or Showtime subscription. All right, the Fire HD10 is an incredible option to watch movies at home and on the go. All right, so the dimension of this bad boy are 10.3 by 6.3 by 0.4 inches. All right, and it weighs about 1.1 pounds. All right, so it's a little. Yeah, this you can get a strain on your hands when you wear it, if you carry this too long with you. All right, so I would advise to just buy a kickstand and put it on a kickstand. Boom, you're ready to watch your movies. All right, so I think I bought this kickstand at Best Buy, and this kickstand right here has the USB charger right there in the middle, and that's about it. And it's got the charging connector right here in the middle. That's about it. All right, so here we go. So let's check out what this bad boy can do. And it's big. It looks massive, doesn't it? Let's go to Stick browser. See, look how fast it opens up the apps. Okay, so I can't really do anything else besides. Okay, this is the browser. It's really fast. As you can see, it loads up real fast. All right, so I can't really due to copyright violation policy, due to YouTube copyright policies, I cannot show you guys movies or anything like that. All right. So opens up. Let's open up Netflix. Boom. Right there, you're on Netflix. All right. So. All right. So this is it. Let's try out. Hi Alexa. What's the weather like today?
In Lexington, it's 48 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today, you can look for lots of clouds, with a high of 55 degrees and a low of 39 degrees.
All right, here we go. So this is a quick. That was a quick demo of Alexa. So this is it, guys. So this is a nice. This I would advise. This only costs $149, $149.99. So I bought this on sale. It was on sale for $135. So I paid $135 for it, but right now it went back up to $149.99 on Amazon. All right, so this is it, guys. This is what it looks like. It looks really, really big. So I got a case on it. Like I said, I got a case to protect the. This is the case. This is a charging case. The case comes with the kickstand. All right. So I bought it just to protect the tablet. All right. So I hope you like. This was a quick review of the Amazon Fire HG10. I hope you like the review. Please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. And click the notification bell so you can get more uploads when I upload more videos. Thank you guys and have a blessed day. Peace.